So there is no fixed calendar schedule. I really have to emphasize that. If the data confirm our basic outlook, if we gain more confidence in that outlook and we believe that the three-part test that I mentioned is indeed coming to pass, then we could move later this year. We could begin later this year, but even if we do that, the subsequent steps will be dependent on continued progress in the economy. So we are tied to the data. We don't have a fixed calendar schedule, but we do have the same basic framework that I described in June. As I noted earlier, conditions in the job market today are still far from what all of us would like to see. Nevertheless, meaningful progress has been made in the year since we announced the asset purchase program. For example, the unemployment rate has fallen from 8.1% at the time of our announcement to 7.3% today, and about 2.3 million private sector jobs have been created over the same period. The unemployment rate is not necessarily a great measure in all circumstances of the state of the labor market overall. For example, just last month, the decline in the unemployment rate came about more than entirely because of declining participation, not because of increased jobs. So what we will be looking at is the overall labor market situation, including the unemployment rate, but including other factors as well. But in particular, there is not any magic number that we are shooting for. We're looking for overall improvement in the labor market.